No, no, no. I'm thinking not. So, as you can most likely tell, it is terrible outside, and I do mean terrible. It has been that way all morning, and I can already tell this looks like the same shot that I've had over the last few days. Like, nothing has changed. It's gonna look like the same gloomy vlog that I've had the last few days. I don't know what else to do, guys. Believe it or not, we actually just had a tornado warning, and the tornado sirens were just hollering. Somebody said that it was a statewide drill, which it probably was. They've actually had to push those back over the last few days because of the snow and flooding and stuff. Flooding and blizzards apparently delays tornado sirens. It had me going for a little bit though. I actually thought, especially with all the wind, I actually thought that there was going to be a tornado, but somebody refreshed my mind. It's just a drill. I gotta be honest, on one hand, the thought of that doesn't really scare me. I mean, I don't really want anybody to get hurt, don't get me wrong. Tornadoes are bad, but on another hand, they're kind of fun. It's just the thrill of the action and kind of being nervous, like, what do I do? You know what I mean? Tell me I'm not the only one. Like, I can't seem too insane with this. Like, it's a storm. It's kind of fun. Normally, I'd be like super, super excited, especially being at my folks' house. You know, they're kind of on the lake, and the house is in this, like, little hole, if you will. Like, not a whole hole, but we're on a hill. The apartment here is way closer to like flat land. There's plenty of trees and some good hills around here for sure, but generally speaking, the area we're in is more flat than anything. So I'm all for storms. I freaking love it. I used to hate them as a kid. They scared me. These days, it's the complete opposite. So I heard that siren and I just immediately thought, okay, what can I actually do here if something comes around here? I don't exactly know where I would go. That is something I actually need to really get into. If anybody has any ideas for like places to hide in an apartment building during a tornado. Technically we're on cement as I'm walking around right now. I wouldn't say that I'd be completely terrified, and I definitely wouldn't say I'd be dumb about the whole thing. Like, I'd figure out what to do. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna be fine. And once again I get on to another little tangent. Guys, before the vlog goes too far, I do want to say the newest Web of Idiots just released today. If you haven't seen it yet, I strongly recommend you check it out. I'm super excited. It's been months since Aaron and I did one. I told you guys weeks back that we filmed one and things kind of kept getting in the way of actually getting it done, but we're here now. It's awesome. We're excited. We finally got to release it. We have a couple more in the pipe. Just hang on. I would appreciate it if you finish this vlog, but believe me, you don't have to. If you haven't seen the newest Web of Idiots yet, go check it out. It's worth it. Okay, you guys, I know I said I wasn't going to ramble about Web of Idiots, but I want to get one thing out there. I don't know if anybody's really going to notice, let alone care. For this week's episode, I only put 2 clips that we reviewed in instead of the usual like 4 or 5. We actually had a lot more. I done goofed. Plain and simple, I done goofed. I made a huge fail, and I waited just a smidge too long to edit them, and I was only able to get 2 in. The rest of them were unable to be, you couldn't even watch them. Some sites after a while block linking, like I can't download them or anything. This wasn't just like unable to download, like I couldn't even open it to watch it. Like, I don't know if they made it private or deleted it, but either way, we got 2 good videos out of it, and I thought the episode was good regardless. I hope you guys don't mind that. The rest of the clips have so far managed to stay public, and we can still use them, and episode 9 and 10 should still be full, at least 4-minute episodes, so I just wanted to clear the air on that. I apologize. I still think the episode ended up good. So, fun little story for you guys, actually. I thought for a second, maybe I want to go for a walk. It's kind of dark and a little bit chilly, but why not? So I actually start walking. I'm starting to get to the point where I would usually do a full U-ey and go towards the park, which I really don't need to do that. There's that little shortcut there, but I wanted to just go, you know? So I get up to the point where I'm going to do my U-ey, and I'm looking down, I'm just thinking about things, whatever. All of a sudden I see this thing out of the corner of my eye. I look up, there's a deer right in the middle of the road. Just a deer, a little doe, staring at me in the middle of the road. I froze. I've never seen a deer do this. I don't exactly want to do it myself, but it started moving its little legs around it. Just basically what I'm going up to is it actually bolted. It didn't exactly just turn around and take off. It kind of did one of those little slip as you turn around kind of things. I feel bad for it, but I'm sorry. That was actually kind of funny to watch it do that. I mean, I didn't laugh in the moment. I watched it do that and I was just kind of like, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt your little stride there. But looking back on it now, like, Just watching him go, don't. I could hear his hooves on the freaking pavement. Click, click. He just kind of had an oh shit moment. Very shortly after that, I decided to just turn around like it was too cold. The deer didn't scare me at all. I was just like, okay, I've had an interesting experience now. I walked over here, I'm going back. Very short walk, but it's freaking freezing. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. Hey Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's 37 degrees outside.
Oh, bull, 37. I swear, guys, it feels like it's 30 out there. It's freaking freezing. It's a lot colder than it actually should be for April around here. I don't care what anybody says. But anyways, honestly, the Brewers game is on right now. But anyways, guys, this is already getting to way too long of a clip than it needs to be. I just wanted to share a quick story, talk about the Brewers being on, and get off. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash the thumbs up button, smash the subscribe button as always, and also as always, I will see you guys tomorrow. Love, peace, and chicken grease.